Hello, everybody. Welcome to this first course of English intended to students of communication and public relation specialty. So, in this first course, we have spoken or it deals with communication and journalism, or communication versus journalism. So we have started by the definition of journalism. There is the dictionary definition, which states that journalism is an occupation of writing, editing, reporting, photographing, or broadcasting news. And etymologically, the word journalist is derived from the Latin word journalis, which means daily. Acta Diurna, it is the name of the first, or probably the world's first newspaper established in Rome. And then different kinds of print papers appeared, uh, periodicals, pamphlets, etc. Journalism is generally a term used to denote the practice of reporting news or current happenings. What do we mean by current happenings? We mean that journalism tells people about things that really happened. So, journalism is objective, to tell the truth, to tell what or the events that really happened. And it consists on collecting, in the first place, information about a particular subject which has an impact on the people's lives, and then reporting the findings and conclusion to a wider audience, using print, digital, or broadcast media. And we have said that the most important characteristic shared by journalists is curiosity. If you are not curious, you cannot be a good journalist. Right, then we have moved to communication. So the second notion is communication, and this is our subject matter. So there are different definitions of communication. We have given different definitions of different researchers. Uh, First one, it is of Wilbur Schramm, Berlow and Steiner, and both of the two define communication as being the transmission or tool of transmission of information, ideas, or emotions through or using symbols, words, or pictures, and so on. Rogers defines communication as being a process. It is a process of transmitting ideas, information, or attitude from a source, which is a sender, to a recipient or a receiver. And the most important thing is the purpose. When we speak about communication, there is always a purpose of influence, and that's what you should understand uh, very carefully. So, communication, when you communicate, there is intention, an intention of impact, of influence. Okay, we want to influence the receiver. So it is a planned process. We plan to transmit information to the receiver, to influence him, to impact him. Okay, so this is the major purpose of communication. Whereas when we do journalism, our purpose is to inform. Okay, this is the difference between journalism and communication. Journalism objective is to inform, whereas the objective of or the aim of communication is to influence, and that is the difference. Okay, this is for the first course. See you in the next, inshallah.